Alright folks, welcome to this episode. As you've seen in the last couple of videos, there's been tons and tons of snow, and now the snow is starting to melt. Look at this folks, this is the Gale Brick car park I'm standing in. It's incredible. The river's totally burst its banks here. The Honda's just chilling on the edge of the water there, like. It's incredible, like, there is a wind blowing through, like, but it's not as cold as it has been. This is crazy, like, look how high the river is. Wow. I couldn't believe it, like, how far into the car park it is. That is insane, folks. We'll go and take a look up the valley, like, it's totally flooded. Incredible scenes, like. Here's the sign. This is the map of Glen Clova here. Eastern Cairngorms, folks. Wow, what a scene here with the snow-capped hills in the massive flooded valley. This is totally insane, like, we've never ever seen it this high here on a video. That's totally crazy, folks. I've never ever seen the river this high. I think yesterday it would have been even higher because there was so much more snow thawing. It's like higher than the fence posts. This is insane, folks. It is insane to see it this high, like, there is a measuring stick over here. The water's swirling. If you fell in the other day, you would be a goner for sure, like. This is crazy. We'll go and have a look over at this little shed down here. See if we can read the measuring stick, like. Look at the whole valley down there, just flooded out. Crazy. This is insane, folks. Whoa. Look at that, it's right at the top of the measuring stick there. What's that there? Look, 9. So it could be like 9 foot deep. That's pretty crazy, like. Look how close those cables are to the water today. If you fell in there, like, you'd be swept away at some speed. Wow, these picnic benches are just about swept away. Look at that. Look at this fucking bird up here making all this noise. Big goose flying over. Plenty of water for birds like that today for sure. Yeah, I can't even believe how the water is at this gate up here. What? Look at it. The gate's totally under the water. The whole valley is a river. It's crazy, like. Incredible scenes, folks. That's the winter thaw. in wild Scotland here. Oh look, daffodils are starting to come through here. That's a sign that spring is in the air, folks. That ice there is totally lethal. Like, the temperature is a bit milder today, like, but when the ice is compacted like that with the car tracks, it just goes solid. It's incredible here though. There's often a part of the road further up Glen Clova there that floods when it's like this. If the river rises any higher, the wee Honda will float away. Wow folks, I've come like a mile up the road here and look, the whole of Glen Clova is just flooded. I've videoed this glen from here before in a storm when it was flooded, but what? It was nothing like this. That's crazy. There's a little island over there. It's normally just a wee hill. Like the river's in the middle of there somewhere meandering its way through. It's literally like, you couldn't hear like sheep or anything in the fields at this time of year for sure. They'll be out in the North Sea by now. This looks like a pretty old like stone wall at one time, must have been, in front of me here. Crazy old history here in the Glens, folks. Oh, a massive buzzard up there flying. It might not come out. It was flying the wrong way to get it on the camera, folks. Anyway, that's been a short little video. We've just been exploring the old flooded Glen Clova here. It's like so incredible to see it like that. The water's from one side of the glen, the other. Boy's got a couple of fields he can still use at the far side, like, but that is incredible. Anyway, I'll end this video here. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one very soon.